Is that good? And there we go. Perfect. I have like a fixed zoom, so like there. Okay, that's good. Because I was watching some of my older videos back, and the autofocus was going crazy. I'm gonna be fixing this up. Yeah, I am. I did a few things that wasn't on YouTube, like putting in a second reel. I think wasn't on YouTube. Or, I don't know. Probably was. Oh, I think I made this track bigger, and then put this rail on, but it's kind of sketchy. It's made of like 30 different brands of track, all at different sizes and stuff, so it's kind of sketchy. But I'm trying to fix this. Oh yeah, and I have a little thing with grass. I don't know how well you can see that. I was practicing focus. There. Okay, focus. There we go. Oh yeah, I have decided to literally take everything off to clean it, so yeah. This is one of the damaged pieces of track right here. track. But what I'm slightly concerned about, like, what am I gonna do? No, but like that second track I had, it was really sketchy. Like, it was like 3 different brands. There was like Bachman, Atlas, and Tyco. Different tracks, different tracks, and all that. So, what do I want to do? Do I just want to rebuild that, or do I just want to use this track and just make the energy? Make the tracks smaller. I mean, I guess I could do that for like when I start putting scenery and stuff. So this way you can do that. Wow, almost an hour long. It's better. I'm just gonna have one track for now until pause the video real quick. I'm gonna just do some magic and get a box. Ta-da! It's a box. If you like it, I'm gonna just put on autofocus. No, stop autofocus. Yeah, autofocus. So did you like it? Oh jeez. Did you like it? Because you better have. I'm not gonna be able to run any trains because I gotta do chores and stuff upstairs. And I gotta go in an hour, another hour. So still recording. Oh jeez. Yeah, it's still recording for like an hour and 2 minutes. If you actually sat through the entire uncut version, if I'm actually gonna do that, because I'm feeling like putting an uncut version, you are a legend. Except you do exist. Okay, well, I'm gonna longest video on my channel. Okie dokie then.